Welcome to the Baye House, located on the Texas Gulf Coast on Galveston Island's west end, Isla Del Sol neighborhood. This lovely canal home has wide open views and a tie-off for your boat. The modernized and luxurious interior features 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths that will accommodate up to 8 guests. The reverse floor plan makes this home unique. The bedrooms are on the main level with a kitchen, dining, and living space on the upper floor. Make the most of the water views from the main living area. Through the front door, you'll find a great secondary living area complete with a big sectional couch, card table, and TV. The master bedroom has a queen bed, large closet, and TV with cable. Connected is the master bath with a step-in shower and dual vanity. From the master bedroom, you'll also have direct access to the spacious deck with amazing canal views. Enjoy a lounge chair while you soak up the sun or have a meal on a large outdoor table. Below, on the ground level, you'll find a boat dock extending from the large entertainment area, complete with a wet bar, TV, barbecue grill, and plenty of seating for everyone. Back on the main level, also connected to the second living area, is the second and third bedrooms. The second bedroom also features a queen-size bed, a TV, and its own private vanity near the shared full bathroom. The third bedroom also has a private vanity and features 2 sets of twin bunk beds for sleeping accommodations for 4 and another TV. On this floor, you'll find the washer and dryer conveniently located and a closet underneath the stairs. Up the stairs by the front door is the rest of this gorgeous home, including a half bathroom. The large kitchen has granite countertops, modern stainless steel appliances, a huge island, and a coffee bar. By the kitchen is a huge living space with plenty of comfortable seating on the sectional couch. Enjoy the fireplace and a big flat screen TV with cable. Through the doors, you'll be on the upper deck, also connected by stairs to the lower deck with even more beautiful views. Reserve your stay at the Baye House, one of Ryson's upscale homes in our luxury collection. For more details and an interactive virtual tour of this home, visit the link in the description. To see more vacation rentals, walkthrough videos, and all things vacationing on Galveston Island, click the link here and subscribe.